Jackson is back. Nicola Jackson is back. World football. Nicola Jackson is back. Premier League. Nicola Jackson is back. Football fans, start panicking because he is coming back with more goals. Jackson is coming back with what? More goals. And Cole Palmer is also coming back soon. Liverpool did one tackling. When I saw that tackling, it reminds me of John Terry. Yes. See, immediately he did that tackling, I was thinking I was watching John Terry, not knowing that I was watching Liverpool. I'm telling you, the guy lead him with the ball. He just put his leg, yes, in front of the guy and just moved the ball from his leg. I forgot about that player, Everton player. Yes, that's what we are talking about. Yes, just play like you are playing for Chelsea. Kill yourself. Yeah, sometimes talent aren't enough. You can be talent. You can be that talented player. But if you are not hardworking, if you are not serious, you are not going anywhere. Hi guys, welcome to Football Lions. This is our boy Richman. In fact guys, what a game today. What a game. Sanchez the savior. In fact today, Sanchez was everywhere in the post. Catching left, right and center. In fact, Sanchez was the savior. Sanchez was the way today. In fact, guys, Maresca should take good care of Sanchez's sister. I'm telling you. Because now, Sanchez showed us that he wants to improve. Sanchez showed that, indeed, he wants to be Chelsea goalkeeper next season. If he continue like that. Because, I'm telling you, look at all the crosses that was coming into Chelsea box. He was coming out to grab them. One after the other. That is why we've been talking. We've been saying, be vigilant. Don't be indolent. Be active. Yes. Come out. Do your work as a goalkeeper. Yes. So guys, today Sanchez play well. Nobody can complain. Who will say that Sanchez make mistake today? Who will say that? Nobody, because Sanchez didn't make any mistake. So nobody can say anything. No. Even whether you hate or you like Sanchez, you can say anything. Because today he delivered like post office. I'm telling you, he delivered like pregnant woman. I'm telling you. So guys, in fact, today I'm happy for Sanchez. I'm happy. Maresca should take good care of Sanchez's sister. Very well. And the next players perform well in this game. Liverpool and Chalobah. In fact, clean sheet from these two center backs and Robert Sanchez. And today, you could saw that Chalobah and Liverpool, their markings, their tackles, everything about them was on point. And do you know why? Now the mindset, the winning that we had from that Everton game, yes, coming to this game, they were comfortable. That is how important winning is. When you are winning, your everything will be ready, yes, to compete the next game. When you are winning, you have the comfortability and the comfort and the everything. Yes, the belief, the hope that you are winning the next game. But if you lose a game, the next game, in fact, you are going with two minds, whether you lose or you win. But if you win the next game, you know that, oh, I already won, so I know how to win. Yes, I'm a winner. So the next game, you will not be panicking, no fear. So this game, Chalobah and Liverpool, they were on point. Look at our defense today. They were not shivering. No. They were just marking off Everton players. They are Dokuru, all their attackers. Yes, they stopped them today. David Moyes, yes, brought in more attackers. Still, they defended very well against them. Yes, and it's about the chemistry. Now the guys are understanding each other. Yes, Liverpool and Chalobah. And in fact, guys, see, Chalobah coming back or Chelsea calling Chalobah back is one of the best decisions so far. Yes, under this new ownership. I think this is the first decision they make correct since they bought Chelsea. I'm telling you. Yes, because now Chalobah is playing with all his blood. And not every player will accept that. You chase me away, but when it's time you want players to come and solve certain problems, you call me back, accept it, I join you, I come back. Not every player will accept that. Some players, they will look at it to be a downfall to them. Yes, so they will not come back. So Chelsea calling back Chalobah, it was one of the best decisions under this new ownership. Chalobah is playing with his everything, his energy. Some days that you will not see Chalobah play, then that day the whole team will not play. Or that day you will see that Chalobah is lacking some, he's also another young player, lacking that little bit experience. But so far so good, Chalobah and Liverpool did one tackling. When I saw that tackling, it reminds me of John Terry. Yes. See, immediately he did that tackling, I was thinking I was watching John Terry, not knowing that I was watching Liverpool. I'm telling you, The guy lead him with the ball. He just put his leg, yes, in front of the guy and just remove the ball from his leg. I forgot about that player, Everton player. Yes, that's what we are talking about. Yes, just play like you are playing for Chelsea. Kill yourself. Yes, sometimes talent aren't enough. You can be talent. You can be that talented player. But if you are not hardworking, if you are not serious, you are not going anywhere. You can't do it in Chelsea if you are not serious. Having the talent in Chelsea aren't enough. So guys, our two center backs, they perform well today. And another player who performed well today, I would say Enzo Fernandez. He gave that assist, yes, today in the midfield. Yes, for me, when the game started, I saw Lavia and Enzo Fernandez being in our midfield. I said, no, this midfield, I can't trust it. And I saw Caicedo at the right back position. I said, Caicedo should be in the midfield with Lavia, yes, to do the dirty job. But when the game started, no, the midfield didn't open. No. Enzo Fernandez and Lavia, they hold the midfield very well. Yes, until the second half when Maresca brought in Reece James and sent Caicedo back to his normal position. So this game, Enzo Fernandez, he played well. Sometimes Enzo Fernandez, he always play well, but just off the ball. His tacklings 1v1, sometimes he's not doing. But this game, I can tell you, he delivered. He performed, yes. And also Nicholas Jackson, the goal scorer, the match winner. Jackson is back. Nicholas Jackson is back, world football. Nicholas Jackson is back, Premier League. Nicholas Jackson is back, football fans. Start panicking because he is coming back with more goals. Jackson is coming back with what? More goals. And Cole Palmer is also coming back soon. Now his partner return. He left with one player or one partner. Cole Palmer. By the way, Cole Palmer off form is some people's best form or some people's best games. This game, Cole Palmer was everywhere in our midfield, distributing passes, yes, giving that critical passes, controlling the midfield, yes, anticipating, not giving unnecessary or by force passes. He was controlling the midfield, dictating, yes, showing the angles. Yes, so guys, Cole Palmer, he hasn't scored, but recently, his contribution to our games, we can see it, yes. And guys, in fact, observe something today. Because Enzo Maresca was not on the touchline, today it looked like the substitution went right. I'm telling you, yes, the starting 11, putting Caicedo at the right back position, I wasn't happy, but we won, so we don't have to complain much. We won, yes. But I don't think following games Maresca should continue doing that, or Willy Caballero. Is it Maresca or Willy Caballero? And today our substitutions was on point, yes. And I think because Enzo Maresca was not on the touchline, yes, it was Willy Caballero. I know maybe Enzo Maresca was given the command from the upstairs. But today, yes, substituting Lavia out, who just returned from injury, yes, brought in Reece James, sent him to the right back position, brought in Caicedo to the midfield, yes. And when you look at Rick George and all other substitution, it worked for Chelsea. So, and the whole game, as I said earlier, Chelsea will won this game comfortable because of the win we had with Fulham against Fulham. I'm telling you. So the guys came with that motivation, that belief, that winning hope that we can do it again. Yes, it is our home. If we can win away, what show that our home we can win? So you can see that our play, they were not shivering. Yes, they were just taking it step by step till the 90th minutes. And as I said, see, in football, not every day you can score 2, 3, 4 goals. No, some days you need one goal to win and send your 3 points away. Especially now or the time that we are in this season. You don't need so many goals again. Yes, goals are important in the league, but 3 points are more important than goals. No. For me, I prefer 1-0 more than 2-1. Yes, clean sheet is better than 2-1. Yes, so now from today onwards, let's hope our guys, they will managing our games. Yes, immediately we score, they shouldn't be vulnerable again. Just open up or just chasing the game as if we are rather losing. No. And one thing I also observed recently, it seems our defense is now working. Yes, I observed it recently. It seems we are no more conceding too much goals. Yes, I think so far our last 3 Premier League games we conceded only 1 goal. Yes, but just that we could not score more goals to win. Yes, that is the issue. And even Brentford game, it was 0-0. So now it looks like our defense, things are working. Let's hope these guys take it from here till next season, because next season we are going to win the Champions League. Forget, next season we are going to win the Champions League. Next season we are competing for the Premier League. Yes, so guys, for me that is my opinion for this game. and that is how I see this game. Yes, Chelsea won, Everton 0. But my preview, I predicted Chelsea to Everton 1, but the same. Let's remove their 1 and let's remove our 1-0. Almost the same. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought about this game. Yes, Chelsea 1, Everton 1. Do you think Chelsea can make the top 4? Our next game against Newcastle, do you think we can win them? The following game against... No, our next game will be Liverpool. After Liverpool, Newcastle. After Newcastle, Manchester United. After Manchester United, Nottingham Forest to end the season. Let me hear from you. Do you think we can win the remaining games, and do you think Chelsea can make top 4? Let me hear from you under the comment section. And please don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscription button. Take care. Peace.